What's going on? It's the Green Dot Whisperer, and we're back again, guys. So, yeah, I missed a lot. I mean, not that I missed it, I've seen it happen, but it's a lot going on. So, today we're going to take the time out to try to download you on everything we've been missing, the action, and what I predict will happen in the coming future. So, right now, we are looking at BCT, and we're gonna do all three today, guys. We're gonna do BCT, Algo, and Cake all in one video. So we have informational packed video right now. So please hit that subscribe button. Please hit the like button and follow me. So Bitcoin month chart. You see, we've gotten to a reversal point, honestly. Big drop, right? This is what I want to show you. I made a video 2 months ago. I called this out 2 months ago. It might have been premature and everything, but nonetheless, everything I said 2 months ago happened. And I named that, I titled that video Bull Trap. So I'll leave a link up here so you could see who was the first one to call it out, basically. And yeah, so we were waiting, anticipating the red dot on the month chart on Bitcoin. It finally printed. It finally made an appearance. It showed up on the 1st of May. All right. Now, before this was how the entire year carried on bullish. This was the argument before in 2000 and in January 2017. It was already completely oversold and continued pretty much the entire year because that's December 1st right there. So you see that. And then after an entire year, that's when it finally came down. Over here was November 1st, 2020. And now we're starting to come back down May 1st. So it lasted shorter than the last time, actually. This didn't play out like the last bull run did. So this was shorter. And it's already curving, guys. Like, come on, look at this. It's curving in, coming back into the box, basically, right? Let me see. What else can we pull out of here? Let me see. Right here, it's on the. I'll show it to you on the 6 hour. 4 hour chart. Yep, there it is. All right. Can anybody tell me what I'm looking at here? Because I see it. All right. We're going to go do 1, 2, and 3, right? So this is a head and shoulders, which is a bearish pattern on BTC on the 4 hour, right? So if this is your shoulders and this is your head, then your neckline would pretty much be down here where that white line is already. And as you can see, every time we break that, we fall big time. And, you know, it likes to rebound. But this time we broke it down. We broke down. We are turning down, guys. All right. Everybody's waiting for this bottom that's supposedly supposed to come or like trying to have someone call out a bottom. But I don't think we're done yet, guys. All right. Sorry to tell you, yeah, we got a green dot here on the 4 hour, but it's still bearish, like I always tell you with the EMAs and the 34 EMA. So even went bearish on the day chart. That was the only thing helping the bulls come back. But nope, now we're closed well underneath the 34 EMA. So yes, it's bearish time, guys. All right. Let me see if the 2 days yep, 2 days bearish, 3 days bearish. And the 3 day didn't touch the histogram here on the MACD, which allows me to say that we're going to continue to fall. And I'm going to say we're probably going to fall to like 33,000. Why am I saying that? Here you go. $33,000. That's around 32. So over here, the last big dump, when was it? was the Corona crash. It was that far away. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. So right here, that was the last crash. This was the 14th of March, 2020, and back then we kind of gotten a Bitcoin price. Whew, Jesus, $3,799 on March, the 12th of March, 2020. That was the lowest. So the reason I'm showing you this is because I want to break out the Fibonacci retracement tool. So we could kind of see where's the golden zone. Now you see this level right here? This is the golden zone, the 61 level right here. And your golden zone is reading $26,960. So that's where I feel Bitcoin's going to hit the bottom at the fib golden zone around there. So you could go with these pivot point standard right here. And this third support line is 30K. I said 33. Let me see. Yep, 33 is right. It's above the golden zone, so it should be easier to get, honestly. And so I think I'm going to start shooting or buying more Bitcoin around the 33K level. All right. Because that's what makes most sense to me in the charts. And I don't think we're done falling yet because we just started curving and this is going to touch. All right. Just how everything else has touched and crashed underneath. Whoop, that went through it. Let me see. Yep. The 2-day touched it and went through it to almost down at the oversold level. So that 3-day is probably going to end up doing the same thing. All right, moving on to Algo, my buddy. Algo, I'm really proud of it, actually. Algo has kept up, has not fallen as hard or drastically as everything else. And I'm proud of it. Maybe I found a new floating zone to stay at because we did get pretty high up there before, though. Let me see. I think it was, what was our high last time? 87 cents, $1.87? No, we didn't get that high last time. But the last time we got as high as $1.79. And now we're sitting at $1.31. What do I think is going to happen? Well, we're currently looking at a day chart. Got a really strong sell-off dot, honestly. Let me see if that was the 34 EMA in here. Let's hide all these lines. Well, we closed underneath the gray 34 EMA, so that's bearish, but we just went bearish on the day chart. And the 2 days not quite bearish yet. See, that's what I'm saying. Algo's been surprising me. It's been holding up. But once again, red dot on the 2-day wave oscillator. I think Algo's going to do more selling off, honestly. I'm sorry to tell you guys. You see this right here? Didn't touch yet. Once that touches, that's going to be a big drop. And that's on the day chart, so that means that's going to come up. That's happening. Yeah, that big drop would probably push us below $1.19, honestly. And once again, that magical number on the pivot point standard indicator, that's first support line. You see where it says S1? That stands for support line, their first support line, first level of support. And you see how it gives you second, third, fourth, fifth. Well, your first one is this magical number that the real winners of Algo have gotten it, which is 97 cents. This is, hold on, let me see. Yeah, well, 96. You could say 96. Well, there you go. Look at that. All the way to the right, 97 cents, that first support line. It's gone down there in the bull run. And if we're entering a bear run, trust me, we're gonna go down to 97 cents. It like the, I mean, there's strong support there. So if we go down that low and break 97 cents, well, then that's where I think we should, you know, not panic, but get a bag ready to buy some more cheap coins because it's looking like opportunities. Moving down to cake. Cake is one that I had good profit in. Actually, I took out some profit at the $28 range. Oh well, 28. Yep, 28 and 7 cents. Took some out, left the rest in their staked. So and now the prices are coming down for me. So I think I'm gonna buy some more cake though around the green dot day chart. Well, I think this still has more dropping to go. Still well above that 2 day MACD. I mean, it has a green dot on the 8 hour. We'll see how strong this tries to turn out to be. Because I don't have faith in these dots anymore because they roll over. You see that this was sloppy. This is a green buy, red sell, green buy, red sell. That's sloppy. That's not profitable right there. That's a whole bunch of faking out, and that's a big time frame, 8 hours. So definitely in a bear market, if you don't want to short, if you're not a shorter, if you're not a trader, you're just a buyer, you're a holder, and well, at least get the best price, guys. You know, get the best price because there's cheaper prices coming. You know, dollar cost average in, and always make sure you save some more money. Always have money on the side to do something because the second you run out of money, then you have nothing you could do if the market's going down. It's just going to take your money down with it and trap it. And you're just going to be looking at a negative account. So don't run out of money. Be smart. Buy only clean, oversold levels, especially in a bear run. Don't be greedy. Be like, oh, the 8 hour got the green dot, you know, and so I'm gonna go in, you know, because actually this kind of just erased it. So yeah, because if you had what got the green dot here, you went in, you actually ended up in a loss on the red. Green dot here, you were in profit for a very short time, then ended up in the loss. And this is an 8 hour. So be greedy, basically what I'm trying to say. For every single trade you're making now, be safe, be cautious, don't overinvest, and be greedy, get the best price. And that's the only way you're gonna win this. Don't try to just get the best price, guys. Don't be hard headed. All right. All right. I want to see everybody get the best prices so we can make more money. Because the reason crypto pays out and makes so much money for people is because of its volatility. It's because it does drop a lot. It's because it does go up a lot. So that's what allows us to be successful traders, to take a margin of profit out of that because of the huge gap that we have. If that gap was smaller and crypto had less volatility, it would actually be harder to trade this. So there you have it. BTC, I'm saying 33K. Algo, if it turns down, actually Algo is the best one. So Algo is definitely the best one because that 2 day is still bullish. We could potentially bounce off this 34 EMA and go back up, which would be phenomenal for Algo holders. But we can't ignore the red dots and the curving down basically. So because look at all those EMAs bunched up, curved down. The same way I say EMAs bunch up and we shoot up like this here, boop. It's the same way they bunch up and they can shoot right down to that 97 cents level. That's 94 right there on the 2 day chart. But that would take longer. So swim safely, be wise, guys. All right. Take care. Green Dot Whisperer out.